Hi, this is Serene, and we're going to be talking about personality factors and stress. How we perceive stressors has a lot to do with our personalities. This is just explaining a bit about personality, how personality has a lot to do with our health and how long we live. People who tend to be a lot more carefree live longer than someone who has an aggressive personality. So we have a couple of types of categories for personalities. We have type A, who are people who are ambitious, time conscious, and extremely hardworking, have high levels of hostility and anger, often workaholics, successful but frequently unsatisfied, easily upset over small things, find it difficult to relax and do nothing. We have type B, who are people who are relaxed, laid back, less driven and competitive, slow to anger, easygoing, at peace. We have type C, and type C, it's people who are very pleasant, try to keep the peace, find it difficult to express emotions, especially negative ones, often lonely. Out of all the categories, type C is definitely where I fall in. I do keep a lot of my emotions to myself. I'm in the process of working on it now, but for so long it's just been easier to keep it to myself and not bother or upset someone else with how I feel. We have the hardy personality, which is similar to type A, but yet it differs in a lot of ways. They actually thrive on stress instead of letting stress wear them down. They have a deep sense of commitment, feel in control of their lives, and then when things go wrong, they see it as a challenge. This was actually in our book. I heard If Life Gives You Lemons All the Time growing up, and I thought it summed up the different categories of personality very well. Personality theories have come under criticism in recent years. Many people consider them too simplistic, and many people don't easily fall into one of our categories or another. Other personal factors have an influence on people's reactions to stressors. We have optimists who are people who always look for positive outcomes. They look at the glass as being half full. And we have pessimists who look for the exact opposite. They always think that the glass is half empty. Sites worked